This is how you add video inside text with Mirror Effect in Premiere Pro. To start, I've already imported the clip onto my timeline. Let's scale it up and adjust its position as needed. Next, it's time to add text using the Type tool or simply press D. And to maintain the same duration, extend the text layer's duration. From the window menu, open the Essential Graphics panel. In the Edit section, you can tweak the font settings. Let's change the font size and use the Horizontal Align button to center the text horizontally. Adjust its position if necessary. Close the panel if you need more space. Now, select the text layer, go to the Effects panel, and search for the mirror effect. Double-click it to add to your text. In the Effect Controls panel, under the Mirror section, set the reflection angle to 90 degrees for a vertical reflection. Adjust the reflection's Y position as needed. Next, click the rectangle icon to add a 4-point polygon mask and adjust its size. Now change the mask feather value to your liking. If it still doesn't look right, select the video clip and search for the Track Matte key in the Effects panel. Add it to your clip. Head over to the Effect Controls panel. Our text layer is on track 2, so change the matte to video 2. Adjust the mask position and feather value for a more visible reflection. Bonus tip: select the text layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Click on the stopwatch icon next to Scale to add a keyframe. Move 1 second forward along with same keyframe. Then return to the initial position and adjust the scale value until the entire clip is visible. For a smooth transition, click on the second keyframe and drag the handle to the left. Set an ease out transition for the first keyframe. When you play it back, this is what you'll end up with.